Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings on the application of Remitly app. You will go to settings here. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. And above you will search about Remitly app and you will click. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.